capital formation. Subheading is human capital formation. Number one. Number two, education production function. Education production function. Number three, more GDP and income. More GDP and income. Number four, positive externalities. Positive externalities. Positive externalities. Positive externalities. Number five, technological progress. Technological, technological progress. Technological progress. Number six, economic growth and development. Economic growth and development. Economic growth and second heading is education production function. If someone is asking to repeat. Number six is economic growth and development. Number seven, more productivity of labor. More productivity of labor. More productivity of labor. More productivity of labor. Number eight, education and society. Education and society. Number nine, self-employment. Self-employment. Self knowledge and information. Knowledge and information. Knowledge and information. Knowledge and information. Number 12, managerial skills. Managerial skills. Managerial skills. Number 13, financial stability and self-esteem. Financial stability and self-esteem. Financial stability and self-esteem. Number 14, educated entrepreneur. 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 Educated entrepreneur. Number 15, social development. Social development. Social development. Number 16, maintenance of records. Maintenance of records. Record जिसे कहते हैं records. Maintenance of records. Number 17, business cooperation and policies. Business cooperation and policies. Business cooperation and policies. Number 18, inventions and discoveries. Inventions and discoveries. Inventions and discoveries. Number 19, latest techniques of production. Latest techniques of production. latest techniques of production. 20 research and development. Research and development. Research and development. Research and development. These are 20 points which are the importance of these are the points for the importance of education sector. These points shows that this is what education creates, what education tells us. I am again repeating. Uh, First one is repeat and explain. Human capital formation. So please, those who are asking, okay. Human capital formation means they are mainly based on education and health. Research and other things are secondary importance, but education is comparatively more important. Education is just like the investment which enhances human capital instead of physical capital. It means human capital formation is directly linked to your education. Similarly, education production function. Education production function idea was given by sociologist James S. Coleman in 1966. Third point is more GDP and income. More education means more employment, means more jobs, more well educated workers, means more income. And next one is positive externalities. Fourth point is positive externalities. You can say in our society there are many negative externalities like pollution, uh, any other weapons, explosions, etc. But there is also positive externalities like education. Well-educated workers can bring technological methods to produce goods and services, to produce information, to give you good knowledge. So these are the positive externalities. Technological progress, with the help of education, you can uh, make the human capital. Human capital means uh, production of goods and services with capital with accurate reading. So without education, you can't do this one. Economic growth and development. Countries with a high enrollment graduation rates grow faster than countries without education. More productivity of labor, seventh point is skilled worker, skilled labor can increase productivity, can increase production of farm. Education and society, good education can create good society. Self-employment, additional quality of education is to make person to empowerment, to make him empowered to get education, to get self-employment. Managerial skills. Managerial skills means significant impact on growth. Education enhances managerial skills. Next one is knowledge and information. Knowledge and information can also increase the skills of workers, skills of laborers, information of employees and employer. Financial stability and self-esteem. Another importance of education is self-esteem, financial stability. Employment or employer person or employee can uh, will be the financial stable and also self-esteem. skills and habits of a group of people. Skills and habits of a group of people are transferred from one generation to the next generation. To the next generation, skills and habits of a group of people are transferred from one generation to the next generation through teaching, training, or research. Skills and habits of a group of people are transferred from one generation to next generation through teaching, training, or research. There are more than full stop के बाद there are after full stop there are more than 186 universities in Pakistan. 186 universities in Pakistan. Next line. According to Education Index, according to Education Index 2019, 2019, according to Education Index 2019, position of Pakistan is position of Pakistan is lower than Afghanistan. Lower than Afghanistan. Ethiopia and Sudan. Ethiopia and Sudan. Ethiopia and Sudan. Full stop. While Australia, New Zealand, while Australia, New Zealand, Norway, Germany, and Denmark are at the top. Are at the top. This is very important. Okay. According to Pakistan Economic Survey, according to Pakistan Economic Survey, according to Pakistan Economic Survey 2018-19, overall enrollment is overall enrollment is 53 million. 53 million. According to Pakistan Economic Survey 2018 and 19, overall enrollment is 53 million. Teaching staff is more than 1.8 million. 1.8 million. Teaching staff is more than 1.8 million. Number of primary schools are 175,000. Number of primary schools are 175,000. Middle schools are 48,000. Middle schools are 48,000. High schools are 31.2 thousand. High schools are 31.2 thousand. Secondary and vocational institutions are 3842. 3842. literacy rate is ये तमाम चीजें ना हाईलाइट करते जाए, प्लीज हाईलाइट ऑल दीज. Literacy rate is 62%. Literacy rate is 62%, and expenditures on education sector is and expenditure on education sector is 2.4% of GNP, and expenditure on education sector is 2.4% of GNP. Of GNP. Okay, full stop. One minute wait, I am taking your screenshots. Okay. Okay. The literacy rate is, someone is asking to repeat. Literacy rate is 62%, and expenditure on education sector is 2.4% of GNP. 2.4% of GNP. UNICEF, UNICEF, UNICEF and Pakistan Vision, UNICEF and UNICEF, capital letters में, in capital letter. UNICEF and Pakistan Vision 2025 has mentioned to Pakistan to allocate, has mentioned to Pakistan to allocate 4% of GNP, 4% of GNP to the education sector, to education sector by full stop. According to federal budget, according to federal budget, according to federal budget 2017-19, 2017-19, 43 billion are allocated for, 43 billion are allocated for HEC, are allocated for HEC. Full stop. According to Education Index 2019, according to Education Index 2019, position of Pakistan is, position of Pakistan is 160th, 160th, 160th out of 201 countries. One out of 201 countries. According to Education Index 2019, position of Pakistan is 160th out of 201 countries. Full stop. Next heading is importance of education sector. Importance of education sector. Importance of education sector. Importance of education sector. On job efficiency. On job efficiency, education improves the job efficiency of workers. ways of workers, working environment, educated entrepreneur. Uh, no one can ignore the superiority of educated organizer. Educated manager their can manage his employees in a efficient manner as compared to uneducated. Social development, 49% population is female population. Women's education is more important than the man education. Similarly, social development will be increased due to education. Maintenance of records, you can maintain your records, proper maintenance of your business with education. Business cooperation and policies, you can make the policies, you can make the business cooperations with other countries with this education. Inventions and discoveries, positive relationship between education and inventions. You can say you can invent, you can discover more things with reading, with researching education. Latest technology techniques of production, you can produce the engineers, experts, and scientists with education, providing them good education. And 20th point is research and development. If we consider the Pakistan case, there is lack of research and development activities, which is necessary for economic development. Education is a key important. Education is key important of, you can say education is key element of research and development. It provide the modern machineries to utilize the available resources. Now, all these points are, I think, clear. Uh, Meeting is ending in few minutes. I will share the next one. Now, I will dictate, I am sharing the key whiteboard, which is next your heading is gross enrollment rate. Next, write a heading gross enrollment rate. G E R. GER. And formula of gross enrollment, number of children attending school, primary school लिख लें, primary school divided by number of children with 5 to 9 years age. ठीक है. अच्छा, ग्रॉस इनरोलमेंट की पहले डेफिनेशन जरा लिखें. राइट डाउन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ग्रॉस इनरोलमेंट रेट. The number of children attending primary school divided by number of children attending primary school divided by number of children with a divided by number of children with 5 to 9 years age. 5 to 9 years age. 5 to 9 years age. सिंपल आपने प्लीज डू दिस, सिंपली डू दिस फार्मूला. आपने सिर्फ ये फार्मूला करना है. ठीक है, दोबारा सुन लें. ग्रॉस इनरोलमेंट रेट is defined as number of children attending primary school divided by number of children with a with 5 to 9 year age, with 5 to 9 years age. Next, your heading is net enrollment rate. Net enrollment rate. Net enrollment rate. Formula of net enrollment rate is, आप पहले heading दें ना, your heading is net enrollment rate. Net enrollment rate is defined as number of children is defined as number of children aged 5 to 9, aged 5 to 9, attending primary level, number of children age 5 to 9, attending primary level, divided by total number of children aged 5 to 9. Total number of children aged 5 to 9. Net enrollment rate is number of children, जो मैंने आपको डेफिनेशन लगाई है, प्राइमरी लेवल ओवर टोटल number of children 5 to 9. Okay. Number of children, net enrollment rate is defined as number of children aged 5 to 9 attending primary level over total number of children aged 5 to 9. Overall net enrollment rate, overall net enrollment rate, overall net enrollment rate at primary level for the age group at overall net enrollment rate, overall net enrollment rate at the primary level for the age group at national, provincial level recorded at 54%. 54% as compared to 57% in 2013-14, showing a decline of 3%. ओके, मेरा ख्याल है सारे आ ही गए हैं। अच्छा चलें जी, ओवरऑल नेट इनरोलमेंट ऐड, चलें ये 2 मिनट जरा इनको आ लेने दें। ओवरऑल नेट इनरोलमेंट रेट, ओवरऑल नेट इनरोलमेंट रेट, overall net enrollment rate at primary level for the age group, overall net enrollment rate at primary level for the age group at national, provincial level is level in 2015-16 recorded at 54%, 54% as compared to 57%, as compared to 57% in 2013-14, 2013-14, showing a decline of 3%, full stop, 3%. Next heading is literacy ratio, literacy ratio, literacy ratio. Literacy rate is one of the important indicator of education. Literacy rate is one of the important indicators of education. Literacy rate is one of the important indicators of education. Its improvement has a long run impact. Its improvement has a long run impact on other important indicators. Its improvement has a long run impact on other important indicators of national welfare, national welfare, national welfare, full stop. According to labor force survey, according to labor force survey, according to labor force survey 2000, according to labor force survey 2017-18, 2017-18, 2017-18 literacy rate trends, literacy rate trends shows 62.3%, 62.3% in 2017-18, 2017-18. As compared to 60.7% in 2014-15, as compared to 60.7% in 2014-15. 2014-15 males write down in bracket males from 71.6% to 72.5%, males 71.6% to 72.5%, close bracket, and females from 49.6% to 49.6% to 51.8%, 51.8%, full stop. Okay. Okay, let me repeat the females. And females from 49.6% to 51.8%. Full stop. Full stop. (49.6% to now next heading is males. मेल्स का मैंने बता तो दिया है पहले, दोबारा रिपीट, मेल्स फ्रॉम 71.6% to 72.5%. Full stop. Okay, next one is your heading. Now come to these slides. Now come to slides. Manur, I am making you host. Please share the slides. नोट्स ओपन करेंगे ना जो मैंने आपको भेजे हैं ग्रुप में, तो उसमें आपको पता चल जाएगा कि नेट एनरोलमेंट का फार्मूला क्या है। ठीक है
जी सर।
इसका सिंपली आप ये सुन लें कि जो 5 साल से 9 साल तक जो लोग प्राइमरी स्कूल में हैं, ठीक है, उनको जो टोटल नंबर हमारे हैं, टोटल बच्चे जो हैं 5 से 9 साल तक, उन पे तकसीम कर देना है, उस पे डिवाइड कर देना है, तो वो नेट एनरोलमेंट आ जाएगी। हमेशा ये बात ज़हन में रखें कि नेट एनरोलमेंट उसी वक्त आती है, नेट उसी वक्त चीज आती है जब तमाम तरह के ऑब्लिगेशंस आप पे कर लिए होते हैं आपने, जो आपके पास बकाया बचता है। ठीक है, मतलब आपके जो बच्चे हैं 5 से 9 साल की उम्र के कितने हैं, टोटल कितने बच्चे हैं पूरे मुल्क में, और कितने स्कूल जा रहे हैं उस एज के, वो डिवाइड कर दें तो आपका आ जाता है नेट।
ओके सर।
एनीथिंग एल्स? अगर किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन आया तो काइंडली अनम्यूट।
2-3 स्टूडेंट्स का मेरे ख्याल इशू है, वो मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ आज।
ये बात आप ज़हन में रख लें, मैंने जिसकी अटेंडेंस 75% से एक भी कम हुई ना, मैंने उसको पेपर में नहीं बैठने देना। ये बात ज़हन में आप सारे रख लें जरा। तो उनको भी जरा बता दें कि जिसकी अटेंडेंस जो है वो कम हुई 75% से, वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा।
ठीक है सर, मैं आज यही मैसेज कन्वे कर देता हूँ सबको।
हाँ, ये यूनिवर्सिटी का रूल है। तो फिर इसके बाद कोई बहाना नहीं चलना सर मुझे ऐसे हो गया था, मुझे ऐसे हो गया। अच्छा, अभी मैं आपकी अटेंडेंस लगाने लगा हूँ। अब मैं फर्दर चेक करता हूँ कि कौन अवेलेबल है। 6325।
जी सर।
6331 6331
यस सर।
342
यस सर।
6358 6358 है। 6379 6379। ये जो बच्चे अटेंडेंस नहीं बोल रहे, मैं इनकी एब्सेंट लगा रहा हूँ।
यस सर।
6327
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
6333
Yes, sir.
6336 6336 अनीसा अमीन।
सर।
के आंसा अमीन है।
सर अनीसा।
अच्छा, 6357
Yes, sir.
6362 6362 6366 6366 ओके, ये एब्सेंट है। 6376 6376
Yes, sir.
6381
Yes, sir.
6391
Sir,
Yes, sir.
excuse me, sir.
जी।
सर ये 6362 जो है ना, ये मेरा दोस्त है, वो कंप्यूटर पे क्लास ले रहा है, उसने मुझे बताया था। तो वो कह रहा था मेरा माइक ख़राब है, कंप्यूटर का माइक नहीं उसमें। तो वो इसने ना, वो मुझे बता रहा है अभी कि मैंने ना वो आपको मैसेज कर दिया है।
6343
प्रेजेंट सर।
6361
Yes, sir.
6329
Present, sir.
6322
यस सर।
63
Sir, 6321 present.
चलें, ठीक है।
सर
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
6375 प्रेजेंट।
ओके।
सर
जी जी,
6335 प्रेजेंट है।
अच्छा ये बेटा आप अपने नाम के साथ ना ये एजी नंबर लिखे हैं अपना।
लिख दिया आपने, एज नंबर नहीं बोला। 6375
जी
6375 प्रेजेंट।
चलें ठीक।
सर मेरा 6346 भी प्रेजेंट है।
अच्छा, ये AG नंबर फिर मुझे पता चल जाएगा।
सर मेरा
सर
AG नंबर
6311 भी प्रेजेंट है। सर 6311 भी प्रेजेंट है।
अच्छा जी,
सर 6393 भी प्रेजेंट है।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर जी।
वालेकुम सलाम।
सर जी मेरी ना मुझे ना एजी नंबर नहीं मिला, पे भी नहीं आया एजी नंबर, तो सर जी इशू हो रहा है, तो मैं यूनिवर्सिटी जाऊं?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, आपने यूनिवर्सिटी जाना। आप
जी
इधर फैसलाबाद से ही हैं?
जी सर, यहाँ से ही हूँ मैं, पास से ही।
तो आपको वो
जंगल।
मिल नहीं गया? ईमेल नहीं आई आपको?
नहीं सर जी, ईमेल मैंने चेक की है सर, उस पे नहीं आया कोई।
चलें एक आध दिन में आ जाएगा आपको। आज मैंने लिस्ट मंगवाई है, उसमें हुआ तो फिर मैं आपको भेज दूंगा।
जी सर, ओके।
क्लास
सर
फॉर्मेशन
जी
आ
मेरी
जाएगी।
प्रेजेंट तो लगा दी,
सर
जी
मेरी भी
लगा
लगा
मेरी
दें
प्रेजेंट तो लगा दी,
6335
मेरी प्रेजेंट तो
सर
लगा।
चलें ठीक है, गुड लक। ये
सर
इसको
मेरी
दीजिएगा।
सर
हाँ
मेरी
जी, मैं
प्रेजेंट भी लगा दें
सर अस्सलाम
6335
वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
सर ये बॉक्स में प्रेजेंट लगा रहे हैं, हम भी लगा दें? आपने कहा है।
ये यार आपकी प्रेजेंट बस। अच्छा चलें ठीक है बेटा। आज की क्लास जो है ना ये आपकी एंड होने लगी है। तो ये नोट्स वगैरह मैंने ऑलरेडी शेयर कर दिए थे। अगर किसी के पास नहीं है तो वो ग्रुप में सर्च करके शेयर कर लें। फाहद बेटा आप इसको जरा, ये जो जिन बच्चों का इशू है, ये आप टीचर किसी से या वो डिपार्टमेंट से बात करना, तो उनसे पूछे कि ये क्या करना है, इनका एजी नंबर इनको मिल जाएगा खुद ही या इनको यूनिवर्सिटी आना पड़ेगा। मेरा ख्याल है आईटी डिपार्टमेंट काम तो कर रहा है इस पे। मेरे पास और भी 3-4 क्लासेस है, उनकी तो क्लास फॉर्मेशन मुझे आ गई, लेकिन आपकी अभी पेंडिंग है। इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको अभी वो एजी नंबर अलाट कर रहे हैं। तो चलें ठीक है जी, खुश रहें। अल्लाह ताला आपको सेहत तंदुरुस्ती दे। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज। No, I am explaining the slides which are given to you. Our topic was structure of education in Pakistan and overall importance of education. Next slide, please. These are the important questions about how we can get the education, why education is necessary, education in Pakistan, condition of education in Pakistan, literacy rate, university ranking, gender disparity, objectives, personal views, etc. These are the important questions which will come in your mind before this class. Then next class will explain, as I already explained in your previous class, what is education, what is importance, what is literacy ratio, what is student teacher ratio, and other things. Next slide, please. If we consider the structure of education, education in Pakistan is overseen by the Ministry of Education of Government of Pakistan. The academic institutions are the responsibility of provincial government. Federal government is responsible for curriculum development and other things. Next slide. I explained this one in your previous class. Next. You know, this is the into 5 levels: primary grade 1 to 5, middle 6 to 8, secondary 9, 10, and higher secondary 11 and 12. And level 5 is your level, university programs. Next. There are multiple educational systems in Pakistan. Number one, Cambridge system, Pakistan secondary education system, and madrasa system. In Cambridge system, most of the people are following the Oxford syllabus. Pakistan secondary education system, in which we read the PTB books, Pakistan textbooks boards, and madrasa system, we read the Quran and Sunnah and other things like worldly, how to live, how to spend your life according to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Next one is, these are other slides are also I explained in your previous class. Simple, go through these tables, these graphs, and simple go through. There is no need to learn. Simple go through. As next slide, please. Manur, next slide. All up to all other slides, only you have to do these annual percentage change, conclusion, and recommendations. Left all this one, simply read these slides simply, and you have to read constantly the conclusion and recommendations. Concentrate on conclusion and recommendation. Next slide, please. Next one. Second last slides. Simple read these. Next. Next. This one is conclusion and recommendations. Please read these are this and other remaining slides. Very importantly. As I already discussed with you, these are the previous slides. In previous slides, I simply made a picture of government schools, how many government schools are working, where they are working, and what are their curriculum, what they are providing us, what types of students, how many students, as I already explained in all these previous slides, and their graphs and their numbers of how much students are in class and out of class, or in school and out of school. Reads all these one. Now you have to prepare these slides. Now dictate. I am again dictating you something. Please write the next heading, education policy of Pakistan. Left these slides. Education policy of Pakistan. Education policy of Pakistan. Next subheading is National Education Conference. National Education Conference 1947. 1947. The first National Educational Conference was held in Karachi from November 17th, 27th to December 1st, 1947. The first National Education Conference was held in Karachi from November 27th to December 1st, 1947. This conference was convened in 1947 in the supervision of Quaid-e-Azam. Means this first education conference was supervised by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. This conference was convened in 1947 in the supervision of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Full stop. He provided the basic guidelines. He provided the basic guidelines for future educational development. He provided the basic guidelines for future educational development. Education Conference 1947 was presided by Education Minister. Of the country and chairman of the conference. Full stop. They proposed following three dimensions. Of education. Number one, Primary and Secondary Education Committee. They proposed following three dimensions of education. Number one, university education. Number two, adult education. Number three, technical education. Number one is university education. Number two, adult education. Number three, technical education. Number three, technical education. The conference formed a number of committees. The conference, next line, please. The conference formed a number of committees, and the reports of committees were shared in November 1947. November 1947. The conference formed a number of committees, and the reports of committees were shared in November 1947. These committees include number one, Primary and Secondary Education Committee. Primary and Secondary Education Committee. Number two, Adult Education Committee. These committees include Primary and Secondary Education Committee. Number two, Adult Education Committee. Adult Education Committee. Now, your next heading is National Commission in Education. National Commission in Education, 1959. National Commission on Education, 1959. National Commission of Education, 1959. The commission was addressed by the President of Pakistan, 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 General Muhammad Ayub Khan, General Muhammad Ayub Khan, on January 5, 1959. January 5, 1959. January 5, 1959. 1959. Full stop. The recommendations of the commission were, the recommendation of the commission were, the recommendation of the commission were number one, character building. Number one, character building. Character building. Number two, compulsory primary education. 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 Number three, focus on science and technical education. 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 Number 4, national language as medium of instruction. 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 Number 5, three-year degree program. 3-year degree program. 3-year degree program. Number 6, elimination of illiteracy. Elimination of illiteracy. जहालत का खात्मा. Elimination of illiteracy. Number 7, compulsory compulsory at middle level stage. Compulsory at middle level stage. Compulsory at middle level stage. Number 8, optional at secondary level stage. Optional at secondary level stage. It means Urdu medium, medium of instruction, local language, national language is medium of instruction at middle and optional at secondary. You can choose English medium or Urdu medium at secondary level. Next 9 point is research at university level. Research at university level. Research at university level. Research at university level. Next one is establishment of universities, grants commission. Establishment of university grants commission. Establishment of university grants commission. Establishment of university grant commission. Next one is examination system should be examination system should be combination of internal 25% and external 75% evaluation.
Sir, please repeat the sentence.
Examination system should be a combination of internal 25% and external 75% evaluation. It means that you can internally conduct the exam only 25% of the course and 75% evaluation will be outside. External will come and evaluate your course and evaluate yourself. Next point is religious education should be introduced. Religious education should be introduced in different stages. In different stages. In different stages. Next one. Okay. New education policy. Now let me complete. New education policy was finally adopted by the cabinet on. New education policy is name of other thing. New education policy was finally adopted by the cabinet on March 26th, 1970. March 26th, 1970. Next line, please. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Zulfikar Ali Bhutto announced a national education policy on national education policy on 29th March 1972. 1972. Important features of this policy. Important features of this policy are: number one, promotion of ideology of Pakistan. 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 Number two, personality development. Personality development. Personality development. Number three, equality in education. Equality in education. Equality in education. Equality in education. Number four, universal education. Universal education. Universal education. Number 5, a curriculum. A curriculum. CORRICULUM. Curriculum. Curriculum based on socio-economic needs of the society. Socio-economic needs of the society. A curriculum based on socio-economic needs of the society. Socio-economic needs of the society. Next one is active participation of teacher, student, and parents. Active participation of teachers, students, and parents in educational affairs. In educational affairs. Next one is announced free and universal education up to 10th class. Announced free and universal education up to class 10th for both girls and boys. For both girls and boys. For both girls and boys. National education policy was also, next line please. National education policy was also announced in 1979, comma 1992, comma 2010, comma 2016 and 2017-22 2025. National, I shorted it. Next one is National Education Policy was announced in 1979, 1992, 2010, 2016 and 2017. Full stop. Now, this is the topic of structure of education and role of education in economic development and national education policies. Now, any question? Manur, share this recording with all your classmates.
Okay, sir.
I will share the notes with you. I already shared. You can see the book chapter number 9. Book chapter number 9, which already dictate you human resource and economic development, chapter number 9. I am sharing the photo of this one with you. Any question about this one? अगर किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लें। यार को क्वेश्चन पूछा करो, ये क्या क्वेश्चन हुआ कि सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बता दें? ये तो क्वेश्चन नहीं ना है यार। आप क्वेश्चन पूछिए ना।